Hi, good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you are well. Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the chapter body fluid and circulation. So student, first what is called circulation? Are you give answer? Please stop the video and give the answer in chat section. Yes, you are right. Circulation means to transport the respiratory gases and nutrients to all living cells of our body. That is known as the circulation. Student, you look the definition. Circulation is the transport of nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and excretory product to all the concerned tissue or organ. So student, you know what is circulation. You look this figure. From heart to blood go to the whole body. Actually why? Actually the oxygenated blood which is come from the lungs first come to the heart, and then heart transport this oxygenated blood to whole living cells of our body. Then it gives the carbon dioxide, it gives the oxygen, sorry student, it gives the oxygen to the all living cells of the body, then bring the carbon dioxide from whole living cells to the heart, then heart send it to the lungs. Okay, then you look for circulation, simple organisms, sponge, ciliates use the water for their surrounding by the process of diffusion. Okay, by the process of diffusion their circulatory system, their circulation is completed by the process of diffusion. Okay, complex organism use body fluid like blood and lymph for their circulation. Then you look what is called circulatory system. What is called circulatory system? You have to know circulatory system, in which way the respiratory fluid or body fluid is transferred is known as the circulatory system. This is two type, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. In open circulatory system the body fluid come contact with cell and tissue. Okay, means in between artery and vein there have no capillary. But in case of closed circulatory system, body fluid or blood always circulate through the blood vessels. Okay, means from heart to go to the artery, then artery to capillary and capillary to vein and come back to the heart. This is known as the closed circulatory system. You know, open circulatory system found in arthropod and molars. Arthropod and molars. You look in open circulatory system, blood pumped by the heart pass through the large vessel into the open space. Open space means coelom or body cavity is called sinus. Means blood come from the heart, then it go to the artery, and artery, between artery and vein there have no capillary, so it come to the coelom. Okay, this is the open circulatory system. So student, you understood the open circulatory system found in the arthropod and molars. Okay, then you look closed circulatory system, heart pump, blood pumped by the heart is circulated through the blood vessels only. Okay, it not come contact with the cell and tissue. Okay, means in between artery and vein there have the capillary. Okay, it is the most advantageous as the follow. You look why? Because in between artery and vein there have the capillary. Sorry student for disturbing the sound. Okay, which animals have this closed circulatory system? Annelids and chordates. Okay, you look annelids. Okay, means why it is advantageous? Here blood flow is continuous and blood will flow through the blood vessel at a particular pressure. Okay, you look now, you have able to understood blood or in your home when water is flow through the particular pipe, there have the particular pressure. So when blood come from heart and again from artery to go to the capillary and capillary to vein. In that way blood will circulate throughout the body, so quick circulation will take place. You look this figure, quick circulation will take place, and quick circulation means blood will flow in a particular pressure. Okay student, this is very important. Types of heart. Okay, heart of the vertebrates. There are how many types of heart? You look, there have the two-chambered heart, this is three-chambered heart, this is the heart of the reptiles, and this is the heart of the chordates and birds, means four-chambered heart. You look, in case of two-chambered heart, there have the one atrium and one ventricle. Okay, you look, this is the one atrium, this is the one atrium, and this is the one ventricle. Okay, so when blood come here to here, and actually how blood circulation take place, from whole body blood come to the atrium to go to the ventricle, and ventricle to go to the gills for the purification, and from gills to go to the whole body. Okay, so in two-chambered heart, which kinds of circulation take place? Single circulation take place. You look now, from whole body to atrium, atrium to ventricle, ventricle to go to the gills, and gills to directly go to the body. Okay, you look, the amphibian heart means three-chambered heart. You look, there have the two atrium and one ventricle, so mixing of blood take place. Two atrium, you look, there have the two atrium, so here mixing of blood take place. Okay, so three-chambered heart found in amphibians and reptiles, but exception is crocodile. Crocodile have four-chambered heart. Their atrium and ventricle is well separated. Okay, their ventricle, basically in case of amphibians, atrium also separated by the intra-auricular septum, but in case of crocodile, their ventricle also separated. Okay, and you look, this four-chambered heart, there have the two atrium and two ventricles. So in case of four-chambered heart, double circulation take place. Through heart, blood will circulate two times. First from whole body to come to the heart through right side, then right atrium to the go to the ventricle, and ventricle to go to the lungs to, in lungs purification take place, and after purification again come back to the heart. In which part? In left atrium to left ventricle, and left ventricle to go to the aorta. So same blood one time come through right side, again go to the lungs, and same blood again come to the heart. So through heart, two time blood circulation take place. So you look, pattern of circulation. You look, in two-chambered heart, single circulation take place. In three-chambered heart, incomplete double circulation take place, and in four-chambered heart, complete double circulation take place. Okay, you look student, blood circulation through single-chambered heart. Okay, blood circulation through single-chambered heart. Okay, student, please look this figure. This is the body part. Or capillaries located near the cell and tissue. Then you look, capillary to blood come to the vein, and vein carries the blood to the heart. In which part? Atrium to go to the ventricle. This is the ventricle. Ventricle pump the blood to the gill. Okay, this is the gill. Okay, or capillaries towards the gill, or capillaries present near the gill. So in this portion, exchange of gases take place, means dissolved oxygen present in the water come to the blood, and in the blood which carbon dioxide is there, that will go to the water. Then after purification, means deoxygenated blood change into the oxygenated blood, and then again from gills to go to the whole body. means from gills to not come back to the heart. Gills directly transfer the blood to the whole body, and whole body to again come back to the heart, and in same way circulation is going on. So this is the single circulation, because through heart blood will circulate one time only. You look student how incomplete double circulation take place. You look this figure. From whole body to blood come to the heart at the atrium. This is the right atrium to ventricle. Then you look from lungs to oxygenated blood also come to the atrium, this part of the atrium, okay, or this is the left atrium to go to the ventricle. In the ventricle mixing take place. In the ventricle mixing take place. You look this figure. In the ventricle mixing take place. Okay. Then you look mixed blood go in this way. Okay. Some mixed blood go to the lungs for the purification, and some mixed blood go to the whole body. Okay. And in the site of cell and tissue there have the capillaries, so there have the gaseous exchange take place, and after that deoxygenated blood again come back to the heart, and same way are going on. Okay, you look it here, it is still left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from gills, lungs or skin. Right atrium receive, this is the right atrium, receive the deoxygenated blood from other body part. However, they get mixed in the single ventricle. Here mixing take place, and after that mixed blood go to the lungs also for purification, and this mixed blood also go to the whole body. Okay, so it is known as the incomplete double circulation. You look student, double circulation that is found in the birds and mammals. Okay, you look from whole body the deoxygenated blood, from whole body deoxygenated blood come to the right atrium to the go to the ventricle, and ventricle pump out the blood, and this deoxygenated blood go to the lungs through pulmonary artery, and at the site of alveoli there have the capillary. You look at the site of alveoli, there have the capillary, so here gaseous exchange take place, or that is the site for the gaseous exchange, and after that purified blood come back to the heart. Purified blood come back to the heart, in which chamber? This is the left atrium through pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carry the deoxygenated blood to the left atrium to go to the left ventricle, and left ventricle pump out the blood, then blood will enter in the aorta, and aorta carry this blood to the whole body. Aorta is the great artery, then this artery is subdivided into arterioles and carry the blood to the whole body. So here you look, blood is circulate through the heart two times. One time come in this side, then go to the lungs, after purification again come back to the heart, and again go to the whole body. So this is known as the double circulation. Thank you student for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.